All right, so before we get to the video, you guys know that I am very passionate about dentistry. I tease a little bit of it in some of my videos I posted on Facebook and Instagram, but I'm super excited to finally announce that I'm gonna be giving away a smile makeover to one of you. What that includes, it includes a new set of teeth, a new smile. So if you're struggling with dental issues, all you gotta do to enter is go to Cletus McFarland website and purchase any of our RPM merch. Not only is there a smile makeover, but there's an option for $30,000 cash. This is finally your opportunity to get that smile that you deserve, which will be done by me and my staff in my office. And that grand prize includes airfare, it includes hotel, and even a stipend for food. And like I said, all you gotta do to enter is purchase any of our RPM merch. It includes hats, stickers, toothbrush, mugs. There's a bunch of other stuff coming this month. Every $5 you spend on that merch gets you one entry. But if you win the giveaway and you don't want a new smile, you can take home $30,000. So many of you reach out to me on a daily basis, and this is finally the opportunity I get to give it to somebody who really deserves this. With that out of the way, let's go have some fun and get to the video.
All right, guys, welcome to the Freedom Factory. We're up here at my brother's shop, Cletus McFarland. He's got the Rat Rod Supra today. And I've got CopyCat. If you guys haven't followed this build, this is a retired police car that we Hellcat swapped from a Challenger over to the Charger. So this is a manual Dodge Charger, which they do not make from factory, but this thing's very stout. We've got pistons, rods, cam, got a Whipple blower. We've got big expansion tanks for the radiator and for the intercooler for the supercharger. And the reason being is this car is gonna live on the limiter, all right? We've ripped this thing one time at Stafford, Connecticut, Burnout Rivals, and the car did okay, but that was our first shakedown. We've made some modifications to the rear end, to the drive shaft, and we've improved upon it drastically. So now that we've got this thing somewhat ironed out, we're gonna go ahead and test it at the Freedom Factory today because there's a huge event coming up in 2 weeks. So he's gonna test the Rat Rod Supra, I'm gonna test CopyCat. We're gonna have a fun day up here at the track. Let's get to it. Now the wiring's a little iffy.
Probably better than what I could do.
I mean, I did it in my garage, but for some reason we're not charging when we should be.
You mean it's got an electrical issue?
This is supposed to be a neighbor's competitor.
Yeah, well.
When we get it right. But we thought we'd bring it over to the track and test this thing. And
okay. You gonna go over to Freedom Factory and
yeah,
give you a couple rips? All right.
You want to do it?
I gotta test the Supra too, so I'll bring it over.
Over to the Freedom Factory?
Well, I'm gonna test it on the big end of the track, which is saying close enough.
All right, I'm down for that. Right. Didn't this thing come out crazy clean though, like the engine bay and stuff?
It does look good.
It looks good, for sure.
And I saw it was shooting some massive flames.
They don't know about that yet.
Oh.
We're just putting exhaust on it.
You're in for a treat.
I'll show you guys the video now. Jayberg's Garage crushed it. We're gonna head over to the Freedom Factory. We're gonna test this thing. I kinda want you to wheel it as well.
All right.
It's got oil, I checked that.
Yeah, I was just looking at that valve cover.
Yeah, this is just the stock one. I had it powder coated.
Yeah, that's nice. Sequential.
No.
Yeah.
Did you go with the S1 or what'd you go with?
It's a 6XD.
You know, I've never driven a car with a sequential before.
You just
but
yank and it goes.
You didn't have to put in the clutch?
Nope.
Oh, dude. I've never even been in this car.
Well, today's your chance.
That's good, dude.
All
I'm
right.
fired up. This is like what I want to get next. Like if I get rid of the ZR1, I want to get a Supra.
Yeah, we just really did some fat upgrades too. We put a 3.4 liter stroked out 2J in it with an 80mm turbo.
Oh my God. I thought my engine bay looked clean. That's disgusting. Did you paint the engine bay?
No.
It looks like it's painted compared to the
factory.
outside of the car.
Factory paint, dog.
Keep it original. You know what I was thinking fresh off the Glamis trip is like, we should really build one of those 4-wheel drive 4Runners and put like a 2J in
like
it or
Pursuits?
something.
Yeah.
Yes. The thing's just bouncing and body rolling all the way up the
I
hill.
want one of those bad.
I know, I was looking at buying a 4Runner last night so we could do it.
Bad.
Who should we have do the swap? You
Victor,
guys?
if
Victor
you
will
want
do it?
2J, yeah.
Yeah, but I'm like, spend 30 grand on a car that I'm gonna drive once a year.
Yeah, that is the tough part, but
It's the game we play.
I mean, look at my sand car. That's what I did.
I know. I think if we get it, like spend a good year on it, we could build it right. But a 4-wheel drive one?
I think just rear wheel.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh man, I don't know. Paddles up front would be so nasty.
I think it's unnecessary and it sprays a lot of sand in your face.
That's true. I need to get online and see what all the guys are running overseas.
Yeah.
Is this the 3.6 liter or the 5.7?
See, there was a 3.6 in it. All you gotta know is it's a Hemi.
Oh, okay.
Oh, he knew that.
That's all that matters, yeah. I know a Hemi when I smell one.
He knew it was a heaven, I promise you that. Do we need to take any of this stuff out?
Probably not a bad idea. All right, now you're on fire control, all right?
Okay.
Stand back from the exhaust.
I'll be honest, I've never used this before.
I'll go with
There
the
you
tilt
go.
back technique.
Oh, the microphone on the helmet?
Yeah, dog.
Damn, that's legit. Is that a little water spittoon in there?
What do I hit?
Fuel pump. Start. Hold up. There you go. There it is.
Dang.
Got the Brad the Birdie.
This blocks the rears?
That blocks the rears.
Oh, well, we might as well use it.
What, the
Is
handbrake?
this inline?
What's that?
Is this inline?
Yep.
Is it before or after the valve?
This is before the valve. So you
Okay.
leave it open if you want the handbrake to work. This
Got
is
it.
like a parking brake and it shuts off the rear brakes or burnout.
Alright.
And then you just gotta floor it.
I don't think the brakes are on right now.
No, they're not.
Okay.
Just gotta push through it. Some resistance.
Oh, wow. A lot of clutch.
Yeah. It's that monster triple disc. Smart. You locking it?
Locker doesn't work.
suspension, you know?
Yeah, I like it. Oh,
It's all right. We got to figure that out. What do you got over there?
nothing, I was looking at it.
Well, you see the wiring issue's got to fall somewhere at that fuel level deal. See how that, it shouldn't be going like that since it's a grounding sending unit. So something's backfeeding.
It's hard to say.
Oh yeah.
little toasty.
Yeah. Gotta figure that one out too.
It's holding though.
This is a hot day.
Loud?
Loud?
Yep.
Just
Wow.
like that.
I mean, it drives good.
Yeah, we just gotta figure out some bugs. That's why we're here.
I can tell you a few things it needs.
Hit me.
Better cooling.
Yep. Gonna work on that one.
It's already at 230. It needs, does it have power steering?
Yeah, but the tank, the reservoir is so small, it just boils through the fluid. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
We need that. Power steering.
Why is the chip at 5,800?
Because it pops and bangs better. It shoots 5-foot
The
flames.
usual power band's like this, but it's got so much torque you can take it pretty low.
But if we increase it by 1,000, I mean, we should be able to do 4th gear burnouts for burnout.
I mean, it drives shockingly similar to Neighbor.
Just the floatiness of it.
Yeah, the big body.
Yeah.
But it's got more angle. It's
This
actually,
has more angle than Neighbor?
yeah, for sure.
Really?
For
That's
sure.
shocking.
I mean, it drives good. It just needs a few things tweaked up.
We got a lot of water coming out over here.
Yeah, parked her by the drain for you.
Appreciate that. Well, that's what we're here to do, is figure out what's wrong. And then also the charging issue. You know, the alternator starts out at about 11 and works its way up slowly.
Might want to talk to your wiring guy.
Hey, check it out though. We kept our belts intact.
Your belt's on, your axle didn't break.
Looking good. Sounds like this tank is spitting from somewhere it shouldn't though.
Some waters. Oh, this just blasted that one.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Well, it's dripping.
That's
from
no
that.
big deal. You push a little water. It's all right.
You just need a stronger radiator cap.
No, that's 28 pounds.
Oh.
That's about as big as they get.
We
Oh.
usually go 30.
Do you? That'll make the difference, huh?
Nah,
6
I think
more
your
degrees.
water pump or something. Not pumping.
I agree. I think we need to switch out the pump. She was definitely blowing some water, and it looks like it's already ballooned up a little bit, so we might want to shut
That
this.
thing's kind of scary, dude.
You can see the picture of it from last night. We're a little torn on if we should.
He set the main chip at 5,800.
Where should it be? 6,500?
I mean, I would
72.
think higher, yeah.
72. At the fuel pump. Isn't that rowdy?
At the gas station.
Smart. Holy crap, those are like 10 feet long.
Now there's an ankle burner.
Ankle burner, you're lucky it didn't explode.
Well, I guess we better let her cool down and take her back. We got some bugs to figure out before burnout arrivals, which is in what, 2 weeks?
Best 1 minute of my life.
Wasn't your wedding night?
No, that was 2 minutes.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
I wanted to angle it up though to blow smoke in the air.
Nah, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, looks good. Sounds
It's
good.
far enough away that it'll still blow air, but it won't do a tire fire, maybe.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking. And then not having to go underneath the rear cradle makes it so much easier to work on too. I was hoping to be able to rip it around the track, but our coolant temperature is indicating that we have a water pump issue. Now, the video is gonna continue. We're doing something super epic with it, but we gotta wait for the sun to go down, so we thought we would conserve the car instead of allowing me to rip it at the Freedom Factory. So we gotta get this thing loaded up because what we're about to do with this thing, you sent me this reel, we have to recreate it, and I can't wait to show you guys.
That's not good.
All right, Chance sent me a clip last week of some guys zip tying steel wool to their rims and doing a burnout, and I thought, what better car to do that with than the old CopyCat? So now that we know it'll at least do a burnout, we know we have some issues to work through, but I say we had some fun with this thing now that the sun's setting. So we brought our Dodge to the aftermarket Ford shop. And you guys do mobile work as well, right?
Yep, that's why we got our mobile van there too.
Damn, those are badass rigs. You got the Bronco and the Raptor R out here. let's stuff some more in there and then
Yeah, you got brake separated.
all right. We're gonna do this right. 3rd time's a charm. Believe it or not, Herb taught me how to do this.
What's that?
Herb taught me how to do this.
Pyromania.
He built the engine in Dr. Pepper. Herb, I've been meaning to call you to port the heads on this thing.
I did a donut, and the cops were pulling some people over there. And my buddy did 2 rips, right? 2 donuts, and we're like, cops, dude. And so they stop, they come over, and it's private property. You can do whatever you want. It don't matter.
Yeah.
You know, they couldn't give us a ticket or anything.
Well, the noise is, this thing's not quiet.
No, this thing grab lift's like pretty rad.
You wanna,
Like a turbo.
you wanna port the heads on this thing?
Always. I probably have a set done already that I can trade you out.
We should probably build
I
the
have a
heads
whole
on this
6.4
thing.
motor too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
6.4?
Yeah.
This is a 6.2.
You gotta put some really flammable in that, dude.
We did a brake cleaner.
It doesn't last long.
What are you thinking?
Huh?
What are you thinking?
Freaking gasoline.
You got some?
Hey, do we have gasoline? We had gasoline, right?
Why don't we just dip it in the tank?
That's what we should do. Want me to go get some?
I think it might be.
Yeah.
I think it'll burn
so?
better. It won't
All right,
work
so-
out. I don't think it'll blow out. It's easy anyways.
Herb's the pro.
I got a squirt bottle, like a ketchup bottle.
Oh, perfect.
So that way someone's brave souls can just go.
Don't catch my brakes on fire. Those are TBMs.
You already had those.
Those are bulletproof. What are you talking about?
The problem is I have a valve for the brakes and I had it open on the first burnout,
Yeah.
so they got glowing red hot.
That's not good. I heard they warranty shit like that though. Dude, that shit was going on the one wheel. It was just straight, just streaming.
No, I don't think the engine blew, but we got water coming from somewhere. Might have popped the radiator. Oh, here, look at that.
Oh yeah.
There she goes. Well, that happened to that one on that side. It was bound to happen over here, but we should be able to get her home, hopefully.
You don't live far.
Yeah, no.
Thank God.
Well, I'd say that was pretty successful, yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, can you open that for me?
There's no pressure.
Oh,
There's no pressure in
shoot.
there.
No, on this side, is it whizzing? Yeah, you can hear the release cap, or the pressure cap kind of letting a little bit out. But hey, we knew this was gonna happen. This isn't Luke's fault, guys. All right, I know he's gonna be bummed when he sees this, but same thing happened on this side. I told him to make these in a hurry, and he did. And so this is too thin and not enough strength on the welds. So it is what it is. We'll get the car right and
You could just
keep
weld
having
some
fun with
angle
it.
straps on there and stiffen it, and it'd be fine.
Yeah, he actually
back up.
cut this one up and did like internal bracing and stuff.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
All right, well, that's a wrap.